in the car. Apparently, my sister sent me that Wet n Wild is selling SpongeBob makeup, so obviously I need it. I'm gonna be pissed if they don't have it. Oh, it's right here. Wait, they don't have it. No! When I'm back in LA, game on. Shut the duck up. I'm taking 20. No SpongeBob makeup, but lots of food.
A few moments later.
Y'all are way too quick with this. So one of you guys, Alyssa, sent me this. She was like, go to Walmart, go to Walmart. And she sent me a video of the whole collection. I need to get my hands on it ASAP, bro. And I was like, girl, I literally just went and didn't find it. She was like, oh no, not me going back, just find you a set.
Tomorrow.
I look like a freaking mess. Tell me why I come into Walmart because I need some chicken. I'm so the day that I look ugly. I want 2 of these. Oh. So many. Wait. Is that all? It's a Krabby Patty. That's all? Yeah.
3 days later.
Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing the Wet n Wild X SpongeBob collection makeup video. I am so hyped. When you guys told me that there was a SpongeBob collection, my sister was actually the first one to send me a TikTok of somebody like rating all drugstores because of this SpongeBob collection. But how did I not know? How was I not aware first? This whole collection is absolutely beautiful. I do have one little thing that I did mention at the end that I wasn't a huge fan of, but other than that, everything is literally like probably like an 8.5 out of 10. You guys know I'm such a huge fan of SpongeBob and I can recite any episode that you guys wanted to. This is the look that I created. We kind of just like went with the flow. Let's stop talking. Let's get right on into the video. I'm gonna start off by saying that I am very sunburned. I feel like I'm not exactly sunburned. I'm just like really tan right now. The camera's washing me out a little bit, but we're gonna start off with the brows. So I felt the need to tell you guys that that's why I look a little bit splotchy in some areas. I don't even need to tell you guys. I am laying down my brows with my Nyx Brow Gel. This is their brow glue. I was getting endless comments from you guys, like tagging me in all the TikToks, all the Instagram posts of Wet n Wild's new SpongeBob collection, and it was like 2 days into the release, and for some reason like I just didn't see it at all until you guys were blowing up my phone about it. So I was like, okay, well obviously I need to go and get it, and it wasn't there yet. But then the next day I went because I needed to get like some chicken because I was hungry. It was there and I wasn't even planning on looking for it, but I turned and I saw the SpongeBob collection. It was crazy. It was like fate. So I'm gonna be using my LA Girl. This one is nude beige. This is a nightmare. I'm running out of my favorite foundation. You can get 10% off of your LA Girl products, which is literally what I use every single day, with my code Aidette10, so make sure not to miss out. Once you go LA Girl, you don't go back. We're gonna be moving on to our collection of SpongeBob products. I just want to say, like, are you kidding me? Okay, obviously I can't use every single one. So this first one is Squidward. Actually, this was the one to be mostly gone. This is what Squidward looks like, and the back has the flat side. This one here is Patrick. Look how adorable. So this is SpongeBob. Look how cute he is. And then here's a rounded edge. So I'm going to try out the SpongeBob one because I feel like it sets the mood. No, but he got really big. Look at the size of this. I feel so weird. Okay, so I'm literally doing my makeup with SpongeBob right now. I'm not even gonna front. Like, I'm not gonna be biased just because I'm a huge SpongeBob fan. But this is blending out my makeup immaculately. Like, I can't make this up. Like, you guys are watching this and I thought it was gonna be really hard to blend out like under my eyes just because it's like such a big blocky sponge. It's super flexible. Now to really test out the waters, we're gonna take our LA Girl light yellow concealer and be placing it right under like this. Still blends out like a dream. Like, there's really no problems. Now we're gonna be putting our sponge into our powder, bake with it. No troubles. Now setting the rest of our face. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot. I'm literally setting my face. I forgot that I have a Sandy brush. This is what she looks like. Oh, it's like a really heavy brush though. This is what Miss Sandy Kabuki brush looks like. This is gonna be a really good application, I can tell, since it's really thick. I like this application better than my normal like fluffy brush. Go off, Sandy. Before we go on to anything else, I'm gonna take my brunette Shady Slim Brow Pencil by LA Girl. Just trying to put y'all on, guys. Clean up our brows a little bit. So you don't even need a brush, like you just clean it up. Give me NARS brush vibes. If you guys know, you know. Brush. So this is the one that I'm talking about, the flat kabuki. I used to use this all the time to just carve out my bronzer. This is kind of giving me the same vibe, except this one is a little thicker. So if you guys would like to compare. But could you imagine like this becomes like my everyday brush? I'm just like pulling out my makeup. I'm like, yeah, so like all of my followers know that I am obsessed with SpongeBob. Like there's no shame in it. Oh, okay. Also, I didn't mention what bronzer I'm using because I'm over here assuming that you guys already know by now. This is the LA Girl Pro Face Pressed Powder. This I use in a darker shade, which is Warm Caramel. My forehead, just making sure I stipple it on. This is nice. On my nose, so I'm just gonna take the edges. I'm finding that my nose is having a hard time keeping makeup on it whenever it's sunburned. Cut it. I'm like not shocked that it's good because it's a really nice clean edge. Purifying setting mist and the hydrating brightening primer mist. Guys, we didn't use the primer. Okay, so I'm gonna shake them both up. I think you're only supposed to shake the primer, but this one is the Best Friends Forever Hydrating and Brightening Primer Mist. So you're supposed to be putting this before you start your makeup, which I'm really sad about, but look how pretty she looks. Setting mist, and I'm really excited for this one because I need some moisture. I have this right here, which is the Pineapple House Sponge Case. Literally SpongeBob's house. I'm gonna be putting Patrick. It's gonna be a little visitor. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. And look how cute this little packaging is. I'm not gonna lie, this color choice, I kind of took a little peek. The color palette is quite odd. I feel like it could have been a little bit brighter. Like these right here, I kind of want to do something with like a green and a coral. We have some glitters, we have some blues, some plummy colors, but so we'll see. But this color right here is screaming my name. I just need to know. Wait. It is really pigmented. So let's go over the names. So it's starting from like, I'm going from here down. This is Mayonnaise. This is Sea Star. This is Howdy Y'all. This is One Eternity Later. Best Day Ever. Me Money. Oh, Me Money. Oh my gosh, I was like, what? Me Money, what? This is Tartar Sauce. Square Pants. Order Up. Oh, so this is supposed to be like the Krabby Patty. Shady Shoals. Pretty Patty. Absorb the Love. Bikini Bottom. Jellyfish Jam. Load of Barnacles, Aye Captain, Gare Bear, and Secret Formula. So this one is Aye Captain. It is so cute. But I'm gonna be taking this one right here, which is Sea Star. This is like my go-to type of blush color. Oh, automatically just boom. Ooh, it has a nice mist. This smells like perfume, which is good and bad. All right, what should we do for the eyeshadow? We also have Order Up, which is really, really pretty and metallic. Start off with the transition color with this shade here that has the Krabby Patty on it. Okay, this is a really pretty color and it's really pigmented. I'm gonna take just my finger and I'm gonna be putting on Aye Captain. Ooh, oh, look how pretty this is. Look at the way it's just blending. Like there's just no way that this is a drugstore product. And then in the middle, I really want to use this color here. It's just really calling my name right now. So this color right here is Tartar Sauce. Whole eye is just like a glittery bomb. So these do have a lot of fallout. Don't know if this is a good idea, but I'm going to be putting this orange Krabby Patty color. I don't know if that was a big mistake. Blending it. I'm gonna be putting Orders Up. Like the center end is all gonna come together once we have our lashes on. For some reason, whenever you got your lashes on, it just makes everything look 10 times better. Now I'm gonna be putting on my LA Girl Jet Setter mascara. And for our lashes today, these are by Dway Lashes. They're very soft. This is the brand here. Very pretty. We are going on to our last product. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in the shade SpongeBob. Our cute little spongy. He looks like a replica of the Rihanna one. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? It was super pop and super popular. I feel like this color would look a lot better on someone with a deeper tone. Putting some on my nose. So I'm gonna be putting this NYX Shine Loud lipstick, and I'm gonna be putting on the shade Global Citizen. I have every single shade just sitting here on my counter. Like I got them all, so I'm thinking about making even like a lip swatch video if you guys are interested in that. And with this lipstick, you can wait for it to dry a little bit and then put the gloss on. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to tell you guys that I loved all the products. I just feel like the one thing that could have been better was the palette. I'm not completely disappointed with the palette, but I feel like the palette just could have had more color to it. I just love something a little bit more brighter, and I feel like SpongeBob is more of a bright character. Just the whole scenes of SpongeBob is a lot brighter than what this palette was made out to be. The pigment is beautiful. There's nothing wrong with the pigment, it's super good. It's just the fact that I wanted the colors to be brighter. And the sponge, guys, go get SpongeBob. You guys need the sponge, and trust me when I tell you, go, like, run. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.